Alrighty, this is gonna be for you, Vince. I set this alarm clock to 11:59 p.m. on 2099, December 31st, 2099. If it could focus. And it shows Thursday on there. If it could focus. If it could focus. Come on, camera. You better focus. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus though. Yeah, this camera's kind of terrible though. Let's see. Will this go to 2100? Will this go to 20? Oh, it shows Friday, midnight, 12 a.m. Let's see if it went to 2100. No, it's not. It goes to 2099. It's still stuck on January 1st. So, sorry, Vince. It doesn't go to 2100.